you're watching 2-Minute Law with me, Maria Spear-Allis of Spear IP. So how do I protect a fashion brand, or what's protectable about a fashion brand? It's a question that I get a lot. And first is the obvious, trademark. So trademark is that word or symbol by which your customers will recognize your brand. Something else that falls under trademark is trade dress, which is probably best saved for another video, but it covers things like color and packaging. Think of that Tiffany's blue box as a prime example of trade dress. Copyright applies to certain aspects about a fashion brand. It doesn't protect functional items, and clothing is functional, but it does protect things like your website, your photographs, your lookbook. Something that's often overlooked is an exclusive print or pattern on a piece of fabric. That's protectable under copyright. Things like a zipper pull or a pendant could actually be protected under copyright as a sculptural work. There's also design patent. So design patent covers the design of an article, but things to keep in mind, it takes about 12 to 18 months from start to finish to get a design patent. So you really have to think ahead before you're releasing an item. And it's expensive. It's anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 a pop. So a lot of times brands will say, okay, what are my classic, my core pieces that I want to protect under design patent? Next is assets, and by that I mean your personal assets. So it's definitely wise to open a business checking account to keep your personal expenses separate from your business expenses, but that doesn't do anything to protect you personally in terms of liability with your business. So opening a LLC or limited liability company will help to protect you personally from liability in connection with your business. Then finally, there's relationships. So manufacturers, sales reps, photographers. I promise you, contracts are your friend. They'll set out the expectations of both parties in a written contract, so if ever there is a dispute, you can easily refer back to that one document and see what it is that you agreed on. So I hope that helps answer how and what you might protect in a fashion brand, and I'll see you next time.